Hello everyone, this is a fantastic implementation of the spotlight. The design town of everything compatible throughout the silent balance, multi brightness level and flashing mode. There are also a super in the sideline show the units can be used as a work line. It gets changed with a command UB change a town or UBC change a bot. A UB change is not included, but most people early have plenty of them. A UBC cap is implanted and stored in a compartment in the back of the unit. The level of change is indicated by small less data on why the light is being changed. The light also has a standard UV power port that can be used to change a cell phone or other device. Surely the designer thought of everything.